Now we go begin to the texture. So you go click this one and go to UV editing. So you go fit see something like this for here. So now we go go to texture pane to see wetin we get for here. Na purple we go dey see. So press open for there and then you go locate your texture. I go upload this texture for group chat wey be say you go fit use am. So you go save am to a folder where you go fit locate. So my own dey texture. My texture folder dey my desktop. So as I click am now, e go show for here. But this one dey purple mean say e never start to dey read information. So we go to shading by pressing shading for top here, and then we go add a new material by clicking this icon here. This is material icon. Then we go press new to add a new material. So we go change this name. I go change am to surface. Now wetin I wan name this object be that. So I go click am now. I go delete am. I go change the name to surface. You go fit name your own object anything wey you like. So you go see these two nodes. All these things wey you dey see na node we dey call them individually. So you go add another node. Go to add texture and then image texture. So you go press this small icon wey dey here, then choose the wood and JPG picture and then connect color to base color. So immediately you don do that one, you go see say your object don receive the information wey you put. So now you go back to shading and then click the legs for the table, create a new material. Now wetin you go do for each and every object wey dey your screen be this. So I go name this one legs. Click enter twice and then shift A to add a new texture. Go to texture, image texture, then left click to drop am, then open and then click your picture, the same picture, connect color to base color, and then your the legs go receive the information from the picture. So na UV editing wey we dey call this one wey you dey see so. We dey unwrap our object. Na wetin we dey call am be that. So now we go do the same thing for the legs. If you go to texture pane, you go see say na purple. So I no wan talk am again and again and again. So for the last part here, this one wey you dey see so, I go call am seat. I go rename am seat, add a new texture, and then by pressing shift A, texture and then image texture. So I go put am here, left click to confirm, choose the texture, the image. Make sure say if you change this one to box, you go see say the pattern wey e go give you go dey different small. So and I no like am, so I go change am back to flat. So anytime wey you want, wey you dey add texture, you go fit change settings from where flat dey. You go fit change am to sphere, anything wey you like to see the result wey e go dey give you. So na wetin me I go dey do be that. Na flat me I go dey use. I go use flat. So you go do the same thing for the chair. I no wan explain am too much because na the same thing we go dey do over and over again. But one thing wey be say you go do wey go dey different be say you go come to editing mode for this particular object here. Select these two edges by double clicking the edge. Make sure say selection mode you dey edge. Right click and then search for maxim and then select maxim. Press A to select the whole seat and then press U to unwrap it. After you don unwrap, the settings go change a little bit. The reason why you go that long process be say I don test some things and I see say e be like say na the best option be that. So as we dey work with UV editing, you go dey understand. So I go just select dis sides wey you see say I select so, just dis side alone. Go to UV editing and then press A at dis left window, and then A go select everything wey dey there. You go come press G to move am to the middle, and then press S to scale, so that e go change the pattern to which the picture dey receive information. So you go press this one. If you press the edge, the starting edge, and then press Ctrl plus, you go fit select from the front to the last edge wey you see say I select so you no go select too much. So you go press A again to select everything for the left window here, and then press G to move am to the middle, and then press S to scale. You go fit press U for this screen, this same screen wey dey your left hand side. If you press U to unwrap, you go see say the pattern wey you dey see go change a little bit. So you see the pattern wey we dey see for our chair now. So this UV editing requires practice well. We say you go fit understand how UV editing dey work. But as time goes on, we go dey UV editing a lot of things, so you go dey know. So you go press function F12 to render your image. Now wetin our image dey look like na here you dey see so. So we don create the table and we don create the chair.